Welcome back to digital class, and now we are looking at a new topic from P5 chapter 11, and that's called angles with triangles. Now what happened is we have learned angles at a point. Now we're moving on to learn about angles in a shape, and the shape we are looking today is called triangle. So the first thing that I should remind you is, what is a triangle? A triangle is actually a shape with how many sides? With 3 sides, and 3 sides must be a straight side, right? It must be a straight line. So example, if I have a straight line like this, 1 2 3, so that forms a triangle. If I have a like this, 1 2 3, that forms a triangle. If I have a something like 1 2 3, and that forms another triangle, and all these lines must be a straight line, so that's called triangle. Okay, now let's go into it and look at some of the different types of triangle. Now first, let's look at types of triangle now based on their side. Okay, based on this side. Now first, we have something called the equilateral triangle. And what is an equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle means that I have a triangle with all 3 equal sides. Okay, all 3 equal sides. Now this is the first way that we actually indicate that they are the same. We can actually write a triangle like this, and we put 1 line, 2 line, 3 line. So that means they are the same. If I were to put 2, that also means that they are also the same. Okay, means that the one with 2 2 2 is all the same. The one with 1 1 1 is all the same. Okay, now, and because equilateral triangle is 60 60 60, and that means they are the same, and that actually gives us an idea that all these angles are actually 60 degrees, 60 degrees, and 60 degrees. Okay, that's called equilateral triangle. And why 60? You will know about it in a short while. Next thing, we have something called the isosceles triangle. What is special about isosceles triangle is that there are 2 equal sides. Means that this and this are the same. Same means same length. Okay, same length. Okay, all these things I'm saying, equal means the same length. Okay, and the next one, we have something called scalene triangle. Means that there are no equal sides. So this length, and this length are all different. Okay, so that is type of triangles based on sides. And move on, we have something called the type of triangles. Now, based on angles. Now, since we are focusing on the angle, and you will see some of the very common words that we have been learning just now: acute, obtuse, and right. So what does that mean? Acute triangle means that each of the angles here, each means this one individually is all less than 90 degrees. Okay, if it's all less than 90 degrees, this is what we call it as acute triangle, because we know acute means less than 90 degrees. Okay, obtuse triangle means that one of the angle that we have, no matter it's this or this, one of these angles is actually more than 90 degrees. Then it automatically becomes an obtuse triangle. Okay, and in this case, I know this is more than 90. And right angle triangle, okay, right angle triangle, I should add in the triangle here. And it's very obvious that one of the angle must be 90 degrees. Okay, exactly 90 degrees. Okay, again, acute means all of this, each of this is less than 90. Obtuse means one of this is 90, right angle more than 90, and right angle is exactly 90. Okay, so these are some of the basic terms that you should know actually. Okay, and last but not least is something that is very, very important to know. Now, in order to do questions about these angles in the triangle, you must know this idea is that the sum of the interior angle, means that the angles inside the triangle, is always 180. Okay, it's always what? 180. Now, means that if you are seeing an equilateral triangle, I know total is what? 180, right? So, but I know here will be the same angle. Why? Because they are having the same side, means that all the angles will also be the same. Then 180 divided by 3, because 3 of them are the same, right? So what do you get? You get 60. That's why each of these angle inside the equilateral triangle is 60 degree. 60, 60, 60. So that's what you get. Okay? And this is 100% confirmed. As long as you see equilateral triangle, this one for sure is 60. Okay? Now, this is what we call it as isosceles triangle, right? And isosceles triangle, because this side and this side, they are the same, what you should know is that the angle here, if it's A, the angle here will also be A. They will always be the same. Then here, of course, I will just name it as B. The same thing, A plus B, okay, 2A, A plus B is 180. But you know that this A, these two must be the same. Okay? Teacher, what if I see an isosceles triangle that looks like this? Okay, this and this side are the same. If this and this side is the same, the angle here and the angle here will be the same. Not here, here. Because this line and this line means this angle and this angle. Means that if here is C, here also will be C, and here will be D. And I know C plus D is 180. Okay, all good, simple. And let's move on to the last one, scalene triangle. I mean, you'll be seeing triangle like this, but it doesn't really matter. As long as you know here if it's A, here if it's B, here if it's C, then A plus B plus C is 180. That's it. Okay? All good. Now, some of the terms that you're 100% sure that you must know is equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle. Okay? Scalene triangle, so far so good. We don't really see this term out, but you kind of know lah when you see triangle like this. So in example, some of the question they'll be seeing might mention this word, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle. Then you should know immediately this side and this side are the same. Okay? Now, again, these things must seem simple to all of you, but the problem is that you must remember, and this should come into your mind when you are solving some of the question, when it put inside a harder question. Okay? Now, let me just go to the next page and let you see how the question actually goes. For example, you can see question 1. Again, you can see they always like to mention some of the words straight line. Very important. You see some of the terms, isosceles triangle. And when you see isosceles triangle, you see something like this, and you should know something somewhere here and somewhere here should be the same, right? Now, okay, and you see also what? This is a triangle. And triangle, the total angle inside is 180, and you can find out what's the angle here. You can find out angle what's here, you can find out the angle here, you can find out the angle here, you can find out the angle here. So again, whatever you learn from angles at a point, you should bring it in here and combine it with the knowledge here. Okay? So next one. ACD is a right angle triangle. Now, the word right angle triangle hint you that somewhere else supposed to be 90 degree. Now, you need to find out where is it. Oh, perhaps the question is actually very nice to tell you already. Next one, you can see question 3, use the word what? Straight line, equilateral triangle. You can see straight line, same as same. And AB is same as BC and same as CD. Wow. When they say these two are the same, you know what triangle is this. When they say these two are the same, you know what triangle is this. Now, so you can see all these words are very, very important. Okay, this one I'm just telling you triangles. This one again straight line. Yeah. So okay, give it a try, and you should be able to apply whatever you learn in this topic. Okay, so I hope this video helps you, and thank you. See you